Changing fuel filters on this diesel 3910 Ford tractor. First thing you do is shut the fuel off. And you take these bolts out. Take this bolt out, that holds the filter. Take this bolt out, it holds the sediment bowl. There's a lot of sediment in there. It also catches moisture. Next is the filter. The new filter is a Gold 3166. And it comes with all the O-rings that you need. Now you just bleed the air out of the lines. All right, now both of these are on tight. You loosen up this 11/16 bolt and this 9/16 to bleed the fuel filter. Open up the fuel valve. You'll see the fuel going up, up, and eventually it'll start coming out here. You retighten that. Then you loosen up this little screw here on the diesel pump. When it starts coming out there, you tighten it. And then you loosen up each injector and then spin the engine over. And as soon as it starts coming out, that's a 5/8 wrench.
I don't think this was a standard feature. This looks like it was an added option because it says Bar Buddy.
Bar Buddy.
What you think?
Is that a beer holder? Or just a beverage?
Agua, whatever you want to hold. But I don't understand what this part's for, but maybe it's...
I'll latch it in. That's for...
So it don't jump around.
Still getting air bubbles.
My hands are nasty just from turning the keys. Just know you can't keep clean when you get on a tractor.
That's right. All right, spin it over. Time to tighten them up. All right, they're all tight.
All right, you ready to get this thing back on the field?
Let's do it.
All right, let's see if she hangs.